Ladies and gentlemen, I am Wassim Memon, tax and business consultant. The trade war and its impact on the global trade, financial and economic systems. This is an important subject because we are now entering an era where the economic balance established after World War II is under serious threat. 1. Background. The formation of the global order. After World War II, a new economic system was created. The Bretton Woods Conference led to the formation of institutions like the IMF and World Bank. The global trade system was based on free trade, capital flow, and economic cooperation. It helped foster strong relations between developing and developed countries. 2. The current trade war and its nature. The current situation is marked by an ongoing trade war, particularly between the US and China, imposition of tariffs, sanctions, and competition in technology sectors. The European Union, Russia, India, and other regions are also being affected. This is no longer just a bilateral issue. The entire global economic structure has been shaken. 3. Global impacts. The trade war is affecting the world in several key ways. Decline in global trade. According to the WTO, global trade activities have slowed down. Market uncertainty. Stock markets, currency rates, and investment trends are highly volatile. Supply chain crisis. Disruption in global supply chains and rising prices of raw materials. Pressure on developing nations. Export-dependent economies are now struggling under shifting trade blocs. 4. Impact on the financial system. Decline in global investment. Investors are reluctant due to uncertainty. Debt crisis. Fragile economies are falling deeper into debt. Currency wars and dollar dominance. U.S. policies are putting pressure on other nations' currencies. 5. Impact on economic development. Rising poverty and unemployment inflation. Particularly in food and energy sectors, declining growth rates, especially in South Asia, Africa, and Latin America. 6. The situation of developing countries, including Pakistan, countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka, are also affected. Exports are down, foreign reserves are shrinking, and import costs are rising. IMF and other institutions' policies have further limited their economic sovereignty. Conclusion and recommendations? Globally, there is a need to begin a new dialogue. A multilateral trade system must be restructured. Developing countries should be given a voice in decision-making. Regional cooperation must be encouraged to find new trade routes and solutions. The trade war has reminded us that any global system built only for the benefit of powerful nations is not sustainable. The world today needs a fair, inclusive, and sustainable economic system. This is the moment to learn from history and adopt a collective approach for the future.